Meet Teresa. Or maybe you should know her by her other name, 378-24037. In 2006, she was convicted for a first-time nonviolent offense, along with many others unjustly accused. She spent 5 years in prison as 378-24037. When she re-entered society, she shared that after 5 years in prison with no payment showing up on my report, my score went down and my credit file was very thin. And whether you relate on the basis of a prison sentence following you, or maybe you just need to rebuild to manifest your financial goals, let me say there's hope for you. For Teresa, it started by turning to a local credit union. See, if you're an individual who has scar tissue working with a massive banking chain, you can actually find a fresh start with a credit union. And the difference, in short, is that credit unions are often owned and operated by local residents on personal terms. While banks prioritize their bottom line, credit unions are not-for-profit organizations making conscious efforts to invest in the local community and empower their members. Teresa's daughter, Lauren, was a member at the local credit union, and thanks to a personal referral, Teresa qualified for a secured credit card. Over time, with small purchases and consistent on-time payments, she graduated to a traditional credit card and continued working toward her dream, which has now been realized. Thanks to a local credit union, her daughter's referral, diligence over time, Hodges now oversees R3Score, a financial analysis tool aimed at expanding access to employment and banking products for those with criminal records. So in other words, Teresa is helping those who stand where she once did. Unfortunately, transformation takes time, but stories like Teresa's give us hope that there is always a way back, no matter what your story is. So we'd love to give you resources to help you dispute errors on your credit report and to make consistent on-time payments, which could help you see your score increase over 30 points in 30 days. Your victory story has just begun. Much like Teresa, there are wild and remarkable things ahead of you, and so we're here to help. Get started at CambioMoney.com for free.
So if you enjoyed that video and you want your credit score to start working for you versus against you, follow us and watch more of these videos.